Om Namah Shivaya. We'll practice sitting breathing exercise, Shashanka breathing. Sthiti Vajrasana. From Vajrasana, we have to inhale, take back the arms. Raise your head first, try to look up. Now take a deep breath. Exhale slowly and gently, bend your trunk forward, rest your forehead. Now we begin the practice with inhalation, Shashanka breathing. Inhale, come up, exhale, inhale, up, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Stop the practice. After Shashanka breathing, relax for a few seconds and then release the arms. Now we will go for the rabbit breathing and dog breathing. First we will begin the dog breathing. Take the position. After the relaxation, we have to open the tongue. ನಾಲಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಹೊರಚಾಚಿ ಶ್ವಾನದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 20 ರೀತಿ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಹೊರಬಿಡುವ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ, ಡಾಗ್ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಔಟ್. Exhale deeply, go on continuously, exhale like this. After 20 times, slowly come to Shashankasana, rest your elbows on the palms, relax for few seconds, ಉಸಿರಾಟವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಕೆಲ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳ ಕಾಲ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. Then after this we will go for the rabbit breathing. Sthiti, bring your both the palms and the elbows forward. ನಾಲಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೊರಚಾಚಿ ಮೊಲದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಬಾರಿ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುವುದು. You have to exhale through mouth, open the tongue half the way and breathe through mouth 40 times. Slowly and gently, after the completion, stretch your hands, relax in this position till you feel normal breathing. After the relaxation, very slowly and gently come up. We will continue the practice, tiger breathing. From Dandasana, we have to come to Vajrasana and we have to take one arm distance across the knees. Take one arm distance and stand on the knees. ಮೊಣಕಾಲುಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. Now this is the position, beginning position. Now push your trunk in and raise your head with inhalation. We have to begin the practice with inhalation. We will practice the 5 times. Inhale, raise your head up. Exhale, make the back as an arch. Inhale, up, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. After 5 rounds of practice, slowly and gently come to Shashankasana, relax. After the relaxation, very slowly and gently Inhale, come up and stretch your legs. Come to relaxation posture. You have to relax. These are all the important sitting breathing exercise. Om Namah Shivaya.